Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate the heads up feature on Android phones. So the heads up feature is a feature from Google which started rolling out to the digital well-being Android app. So when you turn on the feature, your smartphone will periodically display an alert that will remind you to keep your heads up when the app detects you are walking and using your phone at the same time. So in here, what you need to do is go to the settings to activate it. Scroll down until you find the well-being, digital well-being options. Tap on that, scroll down until you find the heads up feature. So you can tap to set up. So by uh, enable this feature, you can just get a reminder to focus on what's around you. You can use with cautions because heads up doesn't replace a paying attention. So just click on next. So in here, head ups need to send you notifications and know when you are walking outside. So you need to give permissions to the physical activity. Just click on a check icon, and also the notifications in here, click on allow, and also the location. So this will let heads up know when you are outdoors. So on the next two screens, like while using the app, and also allow all the time. So click on next again. Now click on done in here, so you can see the permissions is now are now allowed. So now the heads up feature is already activated. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.